Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can create a zip file on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a zip file on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to your File Explorer. And once you're on your File Explorer, next, go to the location of the files that you want to turn into a zip file. In my case, my files are saved in the Downloads folder, so this is where I should go. And after that, I want you to select all the files that you want to include on the zip file that you will create. So to do that, first, I want you to hold the Control key in your keyboard. And while holding your Control key, I want you to click all the files that you want to put in your zip. And after that, all your files will now be selected. So now that you've selected all the files, next, I want you to right-click any of these files you selected. And after that, you will now be able to see the Turn into a Zip File option right here. Just go and click it. And after that, it's done. Your zip file will now be created. You can now rename it depending on what you want. And then that's it guys, you will now have your zip file. But what if you already have an existing folder and you want to turn it into a zip file? So to do that, it's also pretty easy. So first, just like earlier, I want you to go to the location where your folder is saved in your File Explorer. And once you've seen your folder, just go and click it. And after clicking the folder, next, I want you to right-click it. And after that, you will now be able to see the Compress into a zip file option right here, so just click it. And then it's done guys. Congratulations, your folder will now be turned into a zip file. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.